Okay, there are so many methods in the series, but we are going to see the important one. Okay, for the for this series method, we have a different data set, and I have chosen that data set so that you can understand all the concept in a very detailed way. So here is the data set in which there are around 2000 customer, around 2000 customer who has a data like the customer id, gender, age, annual income, spending score, profession, work experience, and family size. For that, we are going to import this data into our Jupyter notebook. I hope you understand, you know how to import the data. Okay, import data, pd dot read csv, and you need to put here the data set name. Here is customers underscore data, customers underscore data dot csv. You put here, and when you now here is the data. This dataset consists of 2000 rows and 8 columns of different customer and all the detail of that customer, right? For this dataset, we are going to see all the method that we are going to use in the series. The first method that we are going to use in the series is the head method. What does head do? So we simply put and see. You will observe that head will return the first 5 rows, of the data set. If you match this, the customer id is 0 over 1 2 3 4 5, customer id 1 2 3 4 5. So head by default return 5 element in the first 5 rows, and if you want less than 5 or more than 5, you need to put here. Let's suppose I want 8. I put here, and if I click, it will give the first 8 element. Likewise, same, there is one another method, that is tail, customers dot tail, and if you put, it will give you the last 5 element or the last 5 rows of the data set. If you match here 1995, 1996, 1997, 1998, 1999, 1995, 1996, 1997, 1998, 1999. This likewise, this if you want more or less, you need to put here the number. Now you will get the last 8 element. Okay, I hope you understand these two methods. The first one is head and the second one is tail, right? Now the next method, that is sample. What does sample do? Let give you sample. It will return one row. So sample basically return randomly one row, any row. It choose randomly any one row and it will return. In our case, it will return 694 customer ID. Let's suppose if I want to to 5 random customer, okay, you need to put here 5 and you will receive there are 5 random customer data, right? So sample is nothing, just a random, if you want a random rows from the data set, you will use sample in that case. The next one is value count. That is very important for the data science journey because you are going to use this value count in many projects. Okay, so I will explain you value count in a very detailed way. If you see this picture, you will observe one thing. Let's suppose there is a series here: red, green and blue. So these are the series. If I apply value count on this series, you will find this table. Okay, red is equal to 2, red 2, green 2, blue 1. What does it mean? It means you are counting the number of occurrence of that particular element in that series. Listen carefully. Value count the frequency of each element, count the occurrence of each element. So in this case, red occurred 2 times, so it show red 2. Green occurred 2 times, that's why it show green 2. Blue occurred 1 time, that's why it show blue 1. I hope you understand what value count is. With the help of this data set, I will help you to understand. Let's suppose if I want to know in our data how many people are from the engineering profession, or from the doctor profession, or from the different profession. It means I want to know each how many people are from the different profession, right? So for that you need to do customers. You need to take this profession column, put here. If you see nothing, it is a series, right? If I apply value counts, it will show you this result. I hope you understand. It shows there are 612 artists in our data set. There are 339 people or the customer who has a healthcare profession. There are 234 people who has entertainment as a profession. I hope you understand value count. Okay. Now the next method that we are going to use or see is the sort value. Let's suppose this data, if I want to sort the value, the artist, healthcare, entertainment, engineer, doctor, these are the indexes, and 6, 1, 2, 3, 3, 9, 2, 3, 4 are the values. If I want to sort this value, if I want to know which profession has the maximum people, which profession has the maximum people, so how you are going to do this? You just need to profession, simply a variable, and store this. Okay, and on this data you need to apply sort value. Sort values. You will see homemaker 60. Now it sort the value 60, 85, 142, 153, 161, 179 in ascending order. It means sort value by default sort the value in ascending order, right? But our question is which profession has the maximum people. So I need to, for finding the maximum people, I need to sort this value in a descending order. For that you need to put here ascending is equal to false. Now you will see it sort the value in the descending order. Now you will observe here artist has the maximum people, the artist, after that the healthcare, right? So these are the things that you need to keep in mind. But by default here value count already sorted the value, but this is not the case everywhere. Okay, so if you want to sort this data on the basis of index, how you sort this? These are the index: artist, healthcare, entertainment, engineer, doctor, executive. These are the index and these are the value. If I apply sort value, it sort on the basis of the value, But if I want to sort on the basis of index, how you are going to do this? For saving the time, I need to copy this and put here, right? And for I need to, okay, I think you will confuse if I am doing this. I simply do profession is equal to customer profession dot value counts. Okay, now profession dot sort index. So with the help of sort index, you are going to sort this data on the basis of the index. Okay, if you run this cell, you will see the first is artist. You know why artist? Because in the alphabetic order, A is the first alphabet that come. Okay, after that D, after that engineer, because G, here G is before the word alphabet T. Okay, here X is next to N. So I hope you understand, because these they sort the value on the basis of alphabetic, right? Let's suppose if I want to sort this value in the descending order, so simply put ascending is equal to false. When you hit, you know the M is the last one in comparison to A, D, E, H, L, M. So you will observe here this sorting is based on the index, not on the value. So I hope you clear what I'm going to explain you here in this lecture. We have seen 5 most important method of the series, and the value count is very important in all these things. And you will see the sort value, how we sort the value. You will also you have also seen the sort index. Okay, I hope you understand all these things. In the next lecture, we are going to see all the mathematical method or the attributes that we are going to use in our data science journey, right? Okay, thank you.